Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning and happy Friday. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We're going to see some cooler air moving in today behind yesterday's cold front, but there's actually another cold front that will come through today. It's going to give us some really cool temperatures to start the weekend. But let's go through future track first. It's going to be some early morning sunshine, but then we're expecting a batch of clouds to roll in from the southwest. That will give us partly cloudy skies and maybe a sprinkle or two with that batch of cloud cover, but really nothing major as far as rain is concerned. That starts to move out about the early afternoon. At that same time, you start to have the next cold front swinging in from the northwest, and that's just going to bring a whole wall of low cloud cover behind it and maybe a slightly better chance for some scattered light rain showers. We'll see that here through the mid-afternoon and continuing through the evening, but you can see skies do become cloudy behind that cold front. A few lingering drops of rain for tonight in our northern counties. With all the rain chances through today, I mean, we're probably not looking at much more than a 1/10 inch of rain for most spots. But the cloud cover does stick around for tonight. We are going to be dry for tomorrow, but it's not looking very pleasant outside in the way that we're not going to see a lot of sunshine, especially through the morning. Should be mostly cloudy. As we go through the day, I think we'll start to see some clearing in our southern counties, still overcast in the north, and then maybe the late afternoon, evening, you start to get some of these clouds to go away. That will set us up for a pretty nice day on Sunday. I think we see partly cloudy skies, just a few clouds passing overhead from time to time. As we look at the winds, though, it's going to be yet another extremely windy day today. Even before that cold front comes through, we're looking at winds about 15 to 25, gusts around 35 from the southwest. Then once the cold front comes through this afternoon, gusts could be around 45 miles per hour with sustained winds around 30 miles per hour from the west. And it's just going to stay really windy overnight. You see those gusts again right around 35. Overnight tonight. It's going to be another windy day tomorrow with the northwest wind. And so that, along with the cloud cover, will keep our high temperatures in the mid-50s to the mid-60s. Really cool for Saturday. Sunday, that's going to be the really nice day of the weekend, high of 74. Winds are much lighter, and we'll see more sunshine with that too. Now, I do want to talk about next week real quick. Starting Sunday night, we're going to see a chance for some rain and storms tracking in. And now Monday looks to be a pretty rainy day. Should be fairly on and off, I would say, with the showers and storms for Monday. But then it's going to be Monday night and Tuesday. That looks to be our highest chance for rain. Basically steady rainfall there, which could be moderate to at times heavy. So it's going to be some soaking showers there through Tuesday. We'll probably see very elevated chances for Tuesday night, and then the rain will swing out for the day on Wednesday. So really wet for the first half of next week. I think with those alone, we're looking at 1.5 to 3.5 inches of rain across eastern Iowa. So flipping the pattern a little bit. It's been very dry. That's going to change early next week. Highs today will be still pretty warm in about the mid-70s north to the low or mid-80s in the south. But again, very windy, and then some cloud cover will come through at times with a few light rain showers. Tonight we drop down to the mid-40s as the winds remain pretty strong. Just a slight chance for rain in the north. And then tomorrow it's some cloud cover for most of the day. And highs there, you can see them mid-50s to about the mid-60s. That's well below normal for this time of the year. City by city forecast here. As we go into Sunday, that's probably the nicer day out of really the next week, because as we start to get the rain to move in, it's going to keep our high temperatures in the low to mid-60s, if not colder. It's going to be windy those 3 days as well, and lows will be in the 40s. We'll finally start to dry out at least Thursday, Friday, as temperatures get back up into the mid-70s.